Welcome to the dining area of our listing here in Gulf Estates. This 40 million property sits on a lot area of 771 square meters. It's quite massive and the lot alone is worth almost 20 million pesos. So the dining area is quite spacious. It comes with an 8-seater dining set. This house is semi-furnished, by the way, with furniture coming from Bahrain overseas. So it's a very good quality. And the dining area flows right into the kitchen, which has a lot of countertop space. You have this island over here, additional space over here, and lots of underhead and overhead cabinets, which are of very good quality. Lots of storage space, and the appliances are built in, so they look very sleek, very clean. Already comes with the double door refrigerator, and an oven and microwave.